So today I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos from your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 to an external SSD or a USB flash drive. So the first thing you need to do is connect. Okay, now once you get connected, good thing with SSDs is that they have Type-C connectors that go directly into the Type-C port of your tablet. If you have a USB flash drive, if it's Type-C, again, it's a direct connection. And if it's a USB-A flash drive, you might need an OTG adapter. Either way, once you're connected, what you need to do is first of all go to the Files app. And in the Files app, you want to access your USB storage device, which should be your SSD or flash drive. And you can go in there and tap on the three dots and create a folder. So you can see the option to create a folder. I already have my folder here, which I've created, and it's called test folder, and it's empty, as you can see. This one right here. So this is a folder inside my external storage device. So now you need to access where the photos have been saved. Now, that's gonna differ based on how you're saving your photos and videos. So if you don't have an SD card and you're not saving your photos and videos to the SD card, they should be inside internal storage, DCIM folder, camera. That's where all your photos and videos are going to be. But since I'm saving mine on the SD card, I'll go to SD card, DCIM, camera. This is where all my photos and videos are. So what you need to do is select the photos and videos you want to transfer, and you can choose whether you want to move them or copy. So I'm just gonna select copy, and then from this pop-up window, I'll scroll across the top, select my SSD or flash drive, basically the USB storage device, go to the folder I created, and then select copy here. And my photos and videos are gonna be either moved or copied to the external storage device. And that's it. So now once you do that, you're ready to go back to the main homepage of the Files app, go to your USB storage device, tap on the three dots, and then unmount. And then now you can pull it out with the photos and videos already transferred. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.